Bomber found. Wreckage located. Discovery confirmed. Historic moment.
The structural integrity is compromised here. We need the heavy lift drones on standby.
Acknowledged. Sonar shows a clear path for the primary cables.
If we section here, the recovery of the fuselage is manageable.
The wing structure is the critical path. We must secure these.
Apply tension on line 3.
Tension set. Green light. Copy that. Moving to the next section. Watch the starboard side. Clear the cradle.
Tension on line 3. Secure the binders now.
Okay, she's seated. Start securing the forward chains. Copy that. Hitting the binders now.
Hold it right there. Watch the alignment on the port side.
Looks good. Steady as she goes.
All right, set her down. All clear.
Departure active. Voyage beginning. Fleet moving. Destination approaching.
Take the slack out of line 4. Line secured. Copy that. Tightening up.
All cranes synchronize hoist and take the tension.
Tension stable. Green light from the ground crew.
Copy that. Begin the lift. Very slow. We are clear of the cradle. Proceed to staging area 3.
Roger, moving to stage 3.
The degradation here is significant, almost 40% deeper than the baseline.
We'll need to reapply the ram in this entire sector.
The readings here are inconsistent. Sounds like moisture got past the seal.
Yes, the tap shows a distinct difference in density.
The stress fractures are concentrated around this joint. The new titanium supports should stabilize it effectively.
Bring her down another 2 centimeters.
Steady now, watching the clearance on the port side.
Clearances are nominal at 0.4.
Confirmed. Laser alignment is stable. Proceed with the final staging sequence.
The alignment on the W edge looks precise.
Yes, the thermal coating is fully reintegrated now.
Excellent work.
R35 is secure.
Confirmed on the schematic, power levels are nominal.
Clearances are nominal. Begin the riveting sequence on section Charlie.
Copy. Starting sequence.
Crane, hold position at 5 meters.
Copy that, holding steady. Alignment looks good on the starboard side.
Roger, proceeding with the final descent.
According to the schematics, this strut requires the high tolerance fitting.
Confirmed. We'll use the laser alignment rig before torquing the bolts.
We have clearance on the starboard side.
Okay, torque on the actuator checks out. Moving to the next section.
Check the alignment on this panel seam. Confirmed. It meets tolerance levels.
How does the alignment look from there?
Looks good. We're clear to set it.
We are clear on the east side, looking good.
Confirmed. Hold steady for final alignment.
Easy now, bring her down another 5 inches. Hold steady on the port side, watch the clearance.
This is the rotary launcher system, capable of carrying up to 16 joint direct attack munitions.
Make sure the alignment is precise on the mount.
Almost there. I'm securing the bolts now.
The Secretary is arriving shortly. Make sure the ropes are secure.
Check. 1, 2. We are ready for the inauguration.
Notice the curvature of the wings. This design feature is essential for maintaining stability while minimizing the radar signature.
Parallel pictures. This is the radar-absorbent material used on the B-2, converting energy into heat.
And is this technology strictly for military use?
Fully restored B-2 serving educational mission. Exhibition complete. Mission serving. History preserved. Legacy secured.
From the depths of the Pacific to this magnificent hall, the mission is accomplished. The legacy is preserved.